Hey y'all, this is Steve. I'm Hobo with Wood, and this is going to be a recap about your memberships on hobowithwood.com. Are you a member? If not, you should be. If you thought you were and you're not, this video will explain everything. Stay tuned. So there's been some confusion about, well, I signed up already. Well, you may have signed up for the website, but you never signed up for a membership. And let me explain. For all of the prepaid patrons, people who were on patreon.com and were already on the old website before I converted over to this new website, everybody whose information that was in the old website was wiped. No one was a member. No one had access. No one had an account. So back in December, I asked everyone to please stop paying Patreon any money. And I was going to be releasing the new website, hobowithwood.com, same name, new website, and you were going to be able to buy memberships directly through the website. You would still have the 60% off, 80% off, and 100% off options on all of the digital downloads and be able to help support the channel and keep the content coming. If you were a previous patron on Patreon, you were going to be able to come in with the same pricing tiers that Patreon had available. If you're just new to the Hobo Nation, there is so much more information out there, so many more downloads available that I had to go up on the pricing because I've got close to $700 or more worth of digital files that are available for download. And if you went with the gold membership, you're able to download them for free. $0, 100% off. And that was just too much to be given away at the old pricing. So if you were not a previous patron, this doesn't really apply to you until later on. We'll show you how to sign up in a minute. But for all of the previous patrons, you had paid already. Some of you had annual payments that had you prepaid for into the middle of 2026 and or later. And I needed to get that information transferred in so you had access to the new website at no cost because you already paid for it. And then some of you were just a month or two in, and I still needed to add that credit so you had access to the new website at no charge because you've already paid. And just for the sheer inconvenience of all the transitioning, I gave everybody an extra 2 months of membership access. Everybody. But to do that, you had to go in and create a membership. And I created a free prepaid Patreon membership for you to sign up with. That got you into the database. That created your profile in order to allow me to access it and then give you what you had already paid for. So I wasn't giving you anything. I was able to update your subscription information in the new website. So everything you were paid for, you got credit for, plus an additional 2 months of access that no one paid for, February and March. And I didn't charge anybody a soul. You had free access until March 31st. April 1st, April Fool's Day, you needed to sign back up again. But so few of you remembered to do that, or didn't know how to do that, or the website wasn't 100% correct yet, but it's all working now, and I want to show you how you need to do that. If you signed up as a prepaid patron and you had 100% access before, and now you don't, and you're like, wait a minute, I had access, now I don't. What's wrong? Well, your prepaid amount had expired, the free 2 months had expired, and now it's time for you just to sign back up again. But you can sign up at the old pricing. if you were a prepaid or if you were a former patron. So let's go over to the website. So currently I'm logged in. I'm logged in on my account. This is the home page. And if you go to my account, right here, it's red. You hover over it, it turns blue. When you go to my account, it'll go to a new page, and then it'll show you all your contact information and then subscriptions right here. Click on subscriptions. Once you click on subscriptions, it will come up and show you any active, if there are any, or any non-active memberships that are associated with your profile. You should see a minimum of 2 memberships. You should see the prepaid Patreon where you signed up initially. And if you missed that, we're already past all that now. And now it's just time to sign up. But you should see a page that looks like this. I've got an extra one on here that you won't see. But you should see the prepaid Patreon and it being set up sometime back in December or in early January. And then once you set that up, I went back in and set up your grandfathered gold, silver, or bronze from the Patreon account. And it would have been created on a given day, and then it expired on March 31st. So that's why it would say not active right now, because there it is, free for a month, expires March 31st. But that was already done, that was set up, and everybody's on the... Anybody that I set up as a grandfathered in that you haven't paid for, it's expired. That's why you don't have access now. But now, all you got to do is this. If you see grandfathered monthly, come over here to subscribe, click on subscribe. It's going to open up the new page, and it's going to tell you this is the terms. $20 a month. You put in all your information, and you have 2 payment options. You can pay via Stripe or PayPal. The difference between the two is paying by card or paying by PayPal. Now, they use different payment processors. PayPal, of course, has its own. Then, depending on your credit card, if it's credit card or a debit card, if you use a card, that's going to go through the Stripe payment gateway here, but it might be going through a different one on your end or something. Depending on how your card processor works, it's going to control when you actually see your discounts on the website. Some of them are instant or within 10-15 minutes. Some of them, it may take 24 hours for your card to process everything, and it acknowledges the payment. It doesn't, it sees there's no conflict or it's not disputed, and then it'll approve it, and then you'll see your discounts. But if you do PayPal, I think PayPal is fairly instant. But you'll select one of those 2 options, but you're not done. You didn't actually set up your payment. You set up which way you want to make your payment. So next, once you've selected one or the other, you're going to come down here and click sign up. And when you click sign up, I didn't put everything in up there, and I'm not going to bother with doing all that right now. But once you click sign up, it'll take you to the payment processing page where you'll put in your payment option. If you're using a card, it'll be all your card information. But if you're using PayPal, it'll take you to a PayPal verification screen where you confirm you are who you are, and you're going to do this. Yes, I want PayPal, and done. You've done that before. Then you would click submit, and it's done. And then you should receive 2 emails from Hobo With Wood. 1, a receipt for your payment, and then 2, it's a confirmation of your subscription. And that's how you get your subscription back up and running if you had access, but now you don't. If for some reason you missed all the notes and you never did do the prepaid Patreon, and you don't have an account set up, you don't see any subscriptions on that when you go into your member account, and you were a patron on Patreon before and you want to have access to the old pricing, you'll have to send me an email so I can send you a link for you to be able to have access to those old terms. If you weren't prepaid Patreon, if you weren't a former patron, then you're going to do this. You're going to go to the home page. you're not going to be logged in, go to home page. Come on, baby. Log out. And you're going to see a page that looks like that. Click on your membership options. Membership options. You will see 6 different options. Well, actually 7. Here's a free membership. This just gets your profile set up and gets you logged in to where you can, because once you set up a profile, free membership or a paid membership, let me show you what all this website will do for you. You don't have to. You need, actually I think you do have to have a profile before you can download anything, be it a free membership or a paid membership, because it keeps up with what you download. Now, I personally recommend that you store everything you download in your own private location. In the event that my site crashes and goes down, you have access to all your downloads. You're not depending on being able to go back to the website and access all your previous downloads, which you can do. But you're going to click either free membership, or if you want to become a sponsor of this channel and the website, you go over to membership support options, and you'll see 6 options here. You can pay annually on gold, silver, or bronze, or you can pay monthly on the gold, silver, or bronze. And then you'll sign up, and it'll take you to the same pages that you had just seen, where you're going to put in all your information, select your payment type, and then go over and put in your payment information, and then click submit, and then you'll get you'll actually, if you've never signed up, you're going to see 3 emails. The first one that you need to reply to is the email confirmation. You will receive an email from Hobo With Wood saying, hey, we received a request to create a membership, and we want to make sure you are who you say you are. You did request this. This is for your security and mine. It's making sure that they're not a bot, and you will have to click on that, and it'll redirect you back to the website, verifying your email is legit. So if you're like me and you have multiple emails, and you've got one that you use for spam or junk or stuff you don't, and I do not send out unsolicited emails. I do not send out marketing emails. I don't send out spam. You will receive an email with most transactions that you do. When you buy something, download something, sign up for a membership, you'll get an acknowledgement of that. So you need to make sure that you use an email that you have access to. Doesn't have to be your primary email, but one that you have access to, because you've got to confirm that email that you are who you are. Plus, all those emails will, if you need a receipt, and anytime you download something, it's supposed to send, you have a link to click on to download, but you should also receive an email that says, hey, thank you, here's what you purchased, click here to download. But once you've got your membership set up, and let me get logged back in here, go back to home on the range, log in. Oh, and you might get this every once in a while too. It'll ask you to verify that you're human. I just tried to click log in and it says, hey, please verify that you're human. Well, there's no box in here for you to check that you are human. But what I do is I click on the Remember Me button. But actually, even sometimes when you just click on Log In again, it's looking for you to acknowledge that, hey, I did try to log in, now you log back in. It's just requiring a second attempt. And I think maybe the bots don't recognize that and they don't try it again. I don't know. But please verify you're human. I'll put in here, Remember Me, and log in. And it's thinking, and now I'm logged in. Now, if I go over here to orders, you can see all of the orders that were placed and completed, and those would be any of the digital downloads that I purchased. So I will be able to see my orders, and then there's another one, another download feature. Come over here so you can see. Here's downloads. I can click on it and it shows me all of the downloads. Then I can come over here and say, okay, I've already downloaded that one. I just come over here and click right there. Click here to download. And I'll pull that right back up again. So as long as my site stays healthy, you'll have access to all of your downloads. And I don't know if they are alphabetical. No, they don't look like they're alphabetical. But they're all supposed to be infinite, but I see there's a couple of them here I need to change where it shows, actually has remaining downloads. I don't know why I've got 7 remaining downloads on this. It should be infinite. These should all be infinite. But if you've paid, if you're a bronze or silver member and you've bought it and you bought it for a discounted price and you've lost where you stored it at, if you log in, you can probably find it here in your download history. So that's why you need to have a profile. Even if it's not a paid membership, once you have a profile, all of your downloads will be stored with your profile and you can see those and download them anytime you need to, as long as the website's working. So I hope this clears up a lot of questions about the membership. If you are not a membership, or if you're not a member currently, please consider going over to hobowithwood.com. If you have been enjoying the content that you see from me when I'm able to put it out there, the live streams, like and support this channel, subscribe, become a contributor. Be greatly appreciated, and I'll be forever grateful. I am Steve, Hobo with Wood. I hope this helped, and I'm out.